Hi, I would say OneNote is like a digital notebook, and the version that I'm using right now is the latest version from Microsoft Office 365. So let's look at some of the functions we can use in OneNote. So we can add sessions. So I'm going to add and call it Demo 2, and I'm going to put in the title Beginners Level. Right, so if you look up the ribbon insert, what you can do is you can insert a table. So any table of any size, you just select the size and then just click and the table is there. You can also insert file. Let's say I want to insert a PDF file, and you can insert the file in 3 different ways. So let's insert the file as a printout. Okay, so this is the whole PDF file. And you can also insert file of different types. So let's insert a Word document. Let's insert it as attachment. Right, you can also insert a PowerPoint as well, and now is converting the PowerPoint to PDF file. And of course, you can insert online video as well. So you just have to copy in the link. So this is one of the video I created myself. So it's embedded. Okay, so it's there. And of course, you can insert pictures. So like an image. So this is one I created from. So you can also do audio recording as well. So press on audio and then start recording. So explain to me how you get the answer. Now I'm going to stop and now I'm going to play back. So explain to me how you get the answer. Now. So the recording has stopped on OneNote. Okay, yes, the equation tool is very useful when you try to write expressions. And this is the equation toolbox. The structures are all there, so you can just look through them and then select the one you need when you write mathematical expression. And then the math button here, very helpful again. It will perform the calculation for you. And stickers, so I guess the one that I will use in the future, maybe this one here, bubble doodle. Okay, so for today I will probably say great progress. And then Forms is another useful app that is embedded in OneNote. Now let's move on and look at the drawer. So this is the place where you select all your pens. Look at all these lovely pens, okay? Okay, so because I love playing with the color pens, and so I'm just going to demonstrate how we can use the pen effectively with our mouse. So this is a highlight pen. And this is where we control the thickness. So let's have it in pink. So I'm going to highlight, right click here if we mean to write. So that's the highlight. So and try a different color, purple. Yes, nice. And then maybe a blue mixed with the pink, and I want to see what happens when I mix that. Does it give me purple? No, it doesn't give me purple because the blue is too dark. Okay, now if I want to erase everything, I'll just go to erase and maybe use a large eraser so I can just do all this, yeah, quite easily. Right, and let's try to write something. So let me write with this pen, and I'm going to change the thickness, so in the middle. And let's change the color, let's say orange, okay? So let me write something like x plus 2. Okay, that doesn't look very neat, does it? Okay, so what I want is I'm going to use the lasso select, and I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to press ink to text. Now can you see it picks up the x plus 2 and it presents it nicely here. Okay, you can do the same with shape. So let's press ink to shape. What that means is if I try to draw a circle, let's say I want to draw a circle and I want to do it in, this time do it in green, Okay, so let me draw the circle, right? Okay, it doesn't turn the circle into a very neat circle, so let me try that again. Can you see how it changes? So it happens if you press on ink to shape. Okay, so another cool things about OneNote is if you have the Surface notebook, they have a ruler. If you use both fingers on the ruler, you can rotate the ruler 360 degrees. If you just place one finger on the ruler, you can only move in one particular direction. Okay, so that's that. And then we have the mask button, which we already talked about earlier. Okay, let's go to view. Oh, we also have the Immersive Reader. So what is that? And I'm going to play.
Hello, how are you keeping? I hope everything is well with you.
Isn't that wonderful? Okay, so now not only that, you can also change the the speech, not only the speech, but you can also not only the font, but also the language as well. Amazingly, it will translate into different languages. So I speak Chinese, so let's use the Chinese traditional. Yes, China. Okay, and then I'm going to play that, and I want to see what happened. I want to apply the translation to the whole document. Yes, it is very accurate.
你好，你好吗？我希望你一切都好。
Okay, so that is the power of the Immersive Reader. And what else do we have here? Yes, if you don't like what you see on the screen, I can change the page color as well. So you can change to any color you like. Let's this time have the orange, the light orange, but without the line. So I just want it plain. And let's go back to home, because I'm just about to change the color of the title. And if I want this to be navy blue. Here we go. And maybe I'm going to increase the font size here, so I put it 48 to make it nice and big, and then drag this so this is all in one sentence. Now the dictate, what does that mean? Okay, let's try what dictate is. I'm going to say exactly the same word, and please pay attention to the screen. Hello, how are you keeping? I hope everything is well with you. Wow, this is very, very good, isn't it? So if I want to end the dictate, I'll just press this again. Now let's go back to view, and then have I missed anything else? Now they do the translation as well. The replay, let's take a look at the replay. So I'm going to press on the replay. So I'm just going to select the area that I want to replay. So here, anywhere you like. Okay. Now, can you see what happened? They just play back what I just performed on in that particular area I've just selected. Okay, so help, then you go to help if you need further assistance. Class notebook, which is something for teachers. I may create a separate video for that. I think for now that will be the end of the sharing. I hope you enjoy what I've just said, and all the best with using OneNote.